Welcome to qnawire.
With all of the information into the picture, the question is how long should a guy wire be if it is connected from the top of the tower and be secured at a slope on the sloped side 200 feet from the base of the tower. So I'm going to recreate this scenario over here. Now if this is 10 degrees and this is making a right angle, then this has got to be 80 degrees at this point. We know that the height of the radio tower is 550. We know that this is 200 feet. We want to find the length of the guy wire. I'm calling it x. And to do this, we could use what's called the law of cosines, where we can find x, that would be x squared, and it's equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of the triangle minus 2 times the product of the other two sides times the cosine of the included angle. And so that third side is the square root of all of that. So onto a calculator we go, make sure it's in degree mode. It's the square root of 200 squared plus 550 squared minus 2 times 200 times 550 times the cosine of 80 degrees. And we get about 2 the 1 decimal place would be 551.6. For part B, that is part A, for part B of this question, I'm going to recreate the triangle again. This is going to be a right triangle. We're 200 feet from the base, and we want to go halfway up. So half of 550 is 275. And we want to know how long this other wire should be, so I'll call this y. Well, it's 3 sides of a right triangle. Use the Pythagorean theorem. The hypotenuse is y, so that squared would equal the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So y would be equal to the square root. And the square root of 200 squared plus 275 squared is about 340.0.